In this question, you have to identify the incorrect statement. Option A. Enzymes of TCA cycles are present in mitochondrial matrix. Now this is true because the enzymes involved in the tricarboxylic acid cycle, that is the TCA cycle, are indeed located in the mitochondrial matrix. Hence it is incorrect option. Option B. Glycolysis occurs in cytosol. Now this is also true. Glycolysis, which is a process of breaking down glucose into pyruvate, indeed occurs in the cytosol of the cell. Hence, it is incorrect option. Option C. Oxidative phosphorylation takes place in outer mitochondrial membrane. Now, this is false. Oxidative phosphorylation occurs in the inner mitochondrial membrane and not the outer membrane. And the inner membrane contains the electron transport chain and ATP synthase, which are essential for oxidative phosphorylation, that is the process that generates most of the cell's ATP. Hence it is the correct option. Option D. Glycolysis operates as long as it is supplied with NAD that can pick up hydrogen atoms. Now, this is also true. For glycolysis to continue, NAD plus must be available to accept hydrogen atoms and become reduced to NADH. Hence, it is incorrect option.